Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to use Asana's file download manager in Bridge24. If you're managing multiple projects in Asana and need a faster way to download attachments without clicking through individual tasks, Bridge24's grid view makes this process incredibly efficient. Let's walk through how to access and download your files. First, head over to the Bridge24 website. When you arrive, you'll need to make sure you log in using your Asana account. This connection is what allows Bridge24 to sync with your Asana data and display all your project information in a convenient grid format. Once you've logged in, you'll be taken to the Bridge24 dashboard where all your workspaces are accessible. Next, select your workspace from the available options. This step ensures you're viewing the correct set of projects associated with your team or organization. After selecting your workspace, you'll see a list of active projects displayed on the left side of your screen. Go ahead and click on the specific project you want to work with from this Active Projects section. Now you're in the grid view, which is where Bridge24 really shines. Look for the Attachments column in this grid. This column displays all the files that have been uploaded to tasks within your selected project. The grid format lets you see multiple tasks and their attachments all at once, which is far more efficient than navigating through Asana's standard task view. To download a single file, simply click directly on the file name under the Attachments column. The file will download immediately to your computer. This is perfect when you only need one specific document or image from a particular task. However, if you need to download multiple files from the same task, Bridge24 offers an even better solution. Look for the Download All button located under the attachments list for that task. Clicking this will download all files linked to that task as a single zip file. This feature is particularly useful when tasks contain multiple related documents that you need to review or share together. And that's it. You've now got quick access to all your Asana attachments without having to open individual tasks one by one. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.